Hi everybody, it's Gary Evans. Remember, your home's sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. We're here at one of our wonderful new listings, 4518 Hallcroft Chase in the Windstone Colony subdivision in Katy. This wonderful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features an updated kitchen with granite countertops, very open spaces here. The family room blends right into the kitchen. Great home for entertaining. You must see this home today. So if you'd like to see it like a personal tour, call me 832-721-0442. Also, we're talking with all of our home sellers these days about knowing what's going on with your inspection report before you actually have one done when you're under contract. Our special report that we have available to you, it's free. 11 costly home inspection traps to know weeks before listing your home. This could save you thousands. For a copy of the report, just give me a call, 832-721-0442. Good things to know before you list your home. So come by this home today. Give me a call. I'd love to schedule a private showing with you. My number is 832-721-0442. Come see this home on Hallcroft Chase. And remember, your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it.